live 4/1/2026. It is 8:12 in the morning US, and there's orbs hovering around the Philippines volcano today. Look, it's just blinking. And there's one right here going behind the mountain and one right there. See, they're blinking. And then one right here. Right there. Right there is blinking. It's coming down. Right there. See it? That one's going behind the mountain. Look at that. And then more pop up. Look at over here. Now there's two. Another one right there. Orbs hovering the volcano. It just erupted a few minutes ago. And I'm watching it live on this afar TV. Look, there's more. They're turning on and off. You can see them blinking. That one is still doing it. If you watch it right now, you can see them. There's one coming down. Look, two. Now you can see it. See? Now there's two right there. You can see it blinking because I'm watching it on my TV. See, that's the eruption. That's today's date. That's the channel that I'm watching it on YouTube. And you can see them. I couldn't see it at first. At first, I thought it was just the stars. And it's just blinking. Especially that one right there. See, I go back. See how the people can hardly see it because my TV. See, from this angle, you won't see nothing. But look, now there's two on this side now. And you can see them through the smoke. See them blinking? Another one right there. Look. You could tell because look, they light up and then they turn off. Look. Right now as we speak. Breaking. Call it right now. Look, another one's coming down. On this side. I'm gonna try to zoom in and the one that is blinking right here. Right here. Hey, what is that? Oh no, see, it's right there. Just right next to the volcano. There's two over there. You can see them blinking. And now another one right there. Like they're all over the place. There's two there. And there was nothing there before. And everybody thinks I'm going crazy. They just pop it up. See, now there's two next to the one I was lighting up. Look at it. Oh my God. We're being invaded. And this is in the Philippines. If y'all want, check that channel out. And you can see it for yourself. Love you guys. Look at it. You can see it. And it's got a lot of smoke. Look, you can see it even in the smoke. See how the wind is coming this way? Look at the volcano. See them blinking behind the volcano? You can see it. And then look over here. Two more. No, there's four now. There's two on the bottom and two on the side. This ones, you can see them bright. If anybody don't know, please tell me what you think. They're just orbiting around the volcano. Look, this one is bright. There's two next to each other. I know it looks a little gray. Oh, look at this one. It's leaving. Hold on, let's rewind that. Watch it. I rewind it. Look at it. You see it fly out. That is not a shooting star. Right there. What is that? Oh my God. There's a whole bunch. You can see them. And this is live TV. You can watch it right now and go on YouTube. They're right there. Two there. One just showed up right there. Two more there. One is coming from, you can see them coming down, lighting up. Look at that one. There's a whole bunch of them. Look. That one is still in the same spot. There's another one right there. See, they're just popping up. Look at them. I don't know. Like, subscribe. You guys tell me what y'all think. Wow.